alternative. So those who voted for Baba, forgive yourself. Those who voted for Ruto, forgive yourselves. So just only to amplify the voice of Ayo is that even as we are doing the civic education on so that we can have responsible choice of leaders, but we also need those leaders, those people that they think they have a calling to lead, and that they are genuine, also to come out, sell their manifesto, talk to people, so that you can also be able to stand out and be counted. And I want to talk on this NANE. I think the arrangement is good. The plan is good, that we mobilize huge number in Nairobi. It is possible to mobilize 1 million. It is possible to mobilize 2 million. Only depend with the logistic arrangement and the willingness of the people. If, for example, we have 30 counties, just only giving 500 people per county, that is like maybe 10 or 5 people in every ward. We already meet that target. But I don't know now. What I want to ask is mchango. I don't know how safe it will be, because tunajua kwamba government, they are doing their best. Safaricom, it is working for government, na inafikia mahali maybe wakijua kwamba inakuwa hivi, utapata hao watu ambao wana control those accounts, maybe imekuwa frozen, maybe anything can happen. I don't know whether we can have alternative, or now we are going to secure those funding, or tunakuwa maybe tumetafuta kama ni hizo transport companies that we get those money and we dispatch immediately, kama ni those accommodation places ambao tutakuwa tumeyamark from Airbnbs, the lodges, everything, hata wale watu ambao they can volunteer, then we dispatch immediately, so that ikiwa inafikia close to those days, hata wenye account wako na less account, even if serikali itataka kufanya anything, it will be too late for them. And secondly, also I want to thank Wakili Ndegwa that we are using every possible means kuhakikisha kwamba hawa watu tumeondoa. So hata ile akoti pia ikisucceed, tunasema ewala. And anytime that you need us, we just, so that we can put pressure, and so that also the judiciary can know that Kenyans are on one side, and Kenyans are saying that they are tired with this regime. Thank you. That is my submission.
Asante sana. Let's
Okay.
have...
Okay. Sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead, Esther. Though I wanted to reiterate on whatever, was it Orwa said? The last speaker was Orwa, right?
Fabi, or what do you mean, the last speaker?
Who just spoke? The speaker who just spoke.
Was
it Orwa?
Fabi.
Fabish. Oh, all right. So Fabish, there's this issue that you've raised about the security of Mchanga and Safaricom and all that. I want us to understand that how Safaricom works. If I stand to be corrected though, Mchanga is literally an independent, as much as it is a product of Safaricom, but it really operates independently. Okay, and it's the best thing about Mchanga is, as much as funds are being remitted, everybody can see the flow of money in, money out, and all that kind of stuff. So it's easier to keep even the institution accountable because you have the evidence. It's not that you went to the bank and found your 20,000 missing and you start asking the bank, where's my 20,000 and all that kind of stuff. Because at that particular point, you have all the statements and you have whatever.
So guys, we have been dispersed. Even the media people. Ay.